Everybody, what is up? Tyler here, back at it again with another video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make at least $23 to $25 an hour with these three apps that I'm going to show for you guys today. Okay, so the first app we got today is Viggle, Viggle. And the deal with Viggle is that basically you get paid to watch TV. The longer you stay, the more you get rewarded with points. It's a free download. You download on your app, your iOS or Android. Um, so the deal with this is you earn points for watching TV shows, movies, trailers, and the longer you stay, the more points you earn. And they also have here is a score bonus points. So the bonus show section is a perfect way to rack up even more perk points on Viggle. Look out for bonus point badges 2 times, 3 times, or more. Viggle Live, real-time trivia, and more. So you could see these on the bottom right here, 6x. So you get 6 times more points watching this show. So I would find, if I was you, because this is what I do, right? This is what I do. I would find the biggest bonus, and I would watch this show, and I would put it on. I'm not even gonna watch the show, to be honest. I'm just gonna put it on my computer, probably put it on mute or whatever, not listen to it on my computer, and let it run and let my points gather up while I'm doing something else, while I'm on my phone doing some other work as well. You don't have to watch the show, guys. If you want to watch the show, that's fine. But if you don't want to watch it and you want to earn points, do that little trick right there. It's real simple. You don't even have to watch the show. You can still earn points. And then you could transfer those points into money. And I think we're all here for the money, guys. I would definitely recommend transferring your points to money. But if you want to keep the gift cards, go right ahead. I mean, there's 800 plus gift card options and prizes. So if you want some gift cards, might as well take them. There you go. But if you want cash, you could transfer that cash or transfer those points into cash into these prepaid debit cards. So and that's how you could get money on this first app, guys. Viggle, Viggle. Get paid to watch TV, earn points and gift cards and rewards. And the next app we got is something similar, but a little bit better than Viggle. Is Perk. So why I like Perk is because it's more diverse in its options, what you could do. So it's pretty much just like the same thing as Viggle. You earn points, cash, gift cards, and more by doing certain things, right? So there's different rewards for different things. And the cool thing is with Perk is that they have rewarded $51 million to people, and it's awarded to date. So that's right now is $51 million. So if you want to become part of this pie right here, I would definitely hop into Perk. I use Perk, and it's awesome. I mean, there's other ways to make money instead of watching TV, like running for errands. So it's just like Google Maps pops up on your phone, and wherever you're going, some places will be highlighted with this green little pin. And if you're going to a store, but that store doesn't have the green pin, just look for another store next to it. And if it's the same store you're going to, go to that green pin and you'll start getting points that way. So you run errands, you go to the store, you go to the gas station, a restaurant, anywhere, and you start earning points, guys. It's real simple. It's a really easy way to make money. I would love for you guys to check this out because it's awesome. It's an awesome outlet and awesome tool for you guys to make money if your pockets are kind of dry, or if you're a college student looking to make quick money. This is definitely an easy way to make money, and it's free. And if you have no time, if you have no job or nothing going on, I might as well just jump on this and start watching TV. And you can watch TV on your phone. It's downloaded for iOS and Android as well. And you can watch it not even just on your phone. You can watch it on your iPad, your phone, or even your computer, which I play it on my computer most of the times because if I'm probably going to use my phone more. So I'm going to let the video sit on my computer, and I'm just going to let it run on my computer until it's over, and then go to the next video, and then start earning more points that way. I like keeping my phone open for different options of what I'm doing. I like keeping it open for other types of marketing, so I'll just let it run on my computer, but it's whatever you guys want to prefer. So there's more ways to earn with Groupon, Uber, Gamefly. There's just more offers, guys. They just offer a lot of things, a wide variety of options for you guys. So don't think you're going to be sucked into this one spot. It's going to be a big variety of different things that you could start earning money with. These are just some of the TV shows that are going on, that are on here. And that's Perk, guys. Well, like I said, I like Perk more than Viggle because it's more, it has a bigger market and bigger options instead of Viggle, which is just TV. This has running errands and going to stores and earning points when you go there, right? But if do the two if you can, the more the better. The more the better. And you can start building a lot more money, a lot more traction once you guys keep doing it over and over again. And the last one we're going to jump to, guys, is app trailers. This one's cool too. It's the same way, same setup. Watch trailers and hot apps to earn reward points. So you get those points and gift cards and free cash with money from PayPal. So you'll be getting cash from PayPal. So if you guys want to sign up for this, definitely download a PayPal account if you don't have one already. Link your bank account with it, and you guys can get started right away with this. So this is really cool. It's not just watching videos. There's another cool way that you could make that you could gather points is you can start making videos on this, and the more likes you get, the more points. So it's just like YouTube in a way. The more likes you get, the more YouTube will start to like you, and it'll start to promote your videos a lot more, which is like this. So the more you get likes, the more they're going to reward you. Just like they're going to reward you with YouTube, they're going to reward you with putting your video on the top of the list of whatever you titled your video as. But yeah, same setup, guys. Redeem your points for gift cards, and you can transfer them to money for PayPal, watch hot trailers, and make videos to get more points, which is an awesome way. If you're already used to making videos, might as well just jump on this and just make more videos and just do what you're good at already. So these are the 3 apps, guys, that I wanted to share with you to make a quick $25 per hour if you guys stay with it. If you guys keep staying consistent with it, you could build $25 per hour with these apps if you're not doing anything else. I mean, this is something if you have free time with, but once you have downtime, just definitely jump on one of these websites or apps on your computer or on your phone. Check it out. So you got Viggle, Viggle. You have Perk, Perk, and then you have app trailers, and they're all available on the iPhone, iOS, and Google Play. So whatever phone you have, there's no reason that you can't get it because it's on both. It's on both spectrums of the iPhone, both spectrums of the phone game. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on these 3 ways to earn $25 per hour. If you guys have any questions, or if you have ways, I want to know if you guys have ways that you make fast cash online. So definitely leave a comment below and tell me ways that you make cash online and what apps you use, because I'd be more than glad to know what other apps there are, and leave some feedback on what you guys want to see in the future of what I'm creating. So stay tuned for daily content, and leave a like, a dislike. I'll take either or. And subscribe for your boy. Subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Stay tuned for daily uploaded content on making money online and making fast cash. That's what this channel is all about. So check my past videos on how to make more fast cash or make higher ticket sales online with affiliate marketing. And if you guys want to do affiliate marketing, if you want to know what it's about, I'm gonna leave a link below on how I'm making at least $1,000 per week. So you guys can check that out and link below, earn a free ebook with that link from me. And that's it, guys. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. And until next time, thank you.